One of the big things that Bosch is looking at now is their analytics, and they're able to now get information where if a child is lost or a car is stolen, what are we able to do now with these analytics?
You bet. With the IVA Pro Appearance, what we're doing is we're looking at different metadata. So as an example, we're looking at things like hair color. We're looking at your shirt. Is it a long sleeve or short sleeve? We're looking at pants. Are you wearing shorts or long pants? Mm-hmm. We're looking at color of your pants. We're looking, are you wearing glasses? Okay. We can even distinguish between sunglasses and glasses.
Gotcha.
We're also looking at a hat. Are you wearing a backpack or a bag, like a purse?
Okay. So that information now, it's residing in the camera, and it's basically going where now?
So it's exactly right. It's recording, that's metadata along with the video, right. And then that's of course being stored wherever your storage is, whether you're doing iSCSI storage or SD card recording on the camera itself.
Gotcha.
And then we can also access that and do a forensic search.
Okay. So when we do a forensic search, what VMSs is it compatible with?
So it's of course compatible with our VMS, which is BVMS, and then we also are doing the Genetec and Milestone.
Okay.
That works today.
Gotcha.
So it is on VIF Profile M, so other VMSs can bring in that data and create their own forensic search too.
Awesome. So it's not proprietary or
Correct.
anything like that.
Yep.
So can you show us, a quick demo of how you can do a forensic search with all these attributes from a camera?
You bet.
Awesome.
So I'm going to go into our VMS called BVMS, and I'm going to come here to my recorded video tab, and I'm going to select amount of video. I don't know exactly when this perpetrator was there,
right?
But I'm going to select some video, where I know that they are, or could possibly have been there.
Okay.
And then I'm going to come here to my forensic search tool. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a customized forensic search.
Okay.
So let me show you what that looks like. Come in here, and here it lets me do a couple things. Number one, I can just select the entire field of the camera, or I could set up a specific field if I happen to know where that perpetrator was in a certain area. Right?
Especially if you're looking at a large area like a parking lot, you don't want to surveil the whole area.
Yeah, but what's really cool about this is I may not know where that perpetrator is. Where in the building are they? What camera are they on?
Right.
What I can do is I can come up here and select the common camera search. Mm-hmm. What that means is it's going to do this search on any of the video windows that I have opened within the BVMS. Again, this works with Genetec and Milestone as well. So I don't have to do it on just one camera. I don't have to know what camera they're on.
Okay.
But here I've set up a field, and I know that that perpetrator walked through that area because someone told me. But I also want to find them in other cameras. So in this case, I'm not going to do a field here. Okay. And so you'll see, so now that I've got that, I'm going to come here and I'm going to select blue top. I'm going to do a short sleeve shirt. Yep. I'm going to do long pants, and I'm going to do gray. Okay. So I'm going to go to the next field here. Now I'm going to select male, and I'm going to select hair color. I don't know exactly what hair color it was. Different people see, was that red? Was that brown? Right. Maybe he had some gray. So I'm just going to go ahead and select all three of those. Okay. And then but I know they were wearing glasses, so I'm going to select that. But here you can see I can select hat, hair length, backpack, hat, bag, etc. Yep. So now I'm going to done all that. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to go ahead and click search. I'm going to see that it's searching for that time. And sure enough, it's going to bring it up here, so I can see it searching.
Okay, yep.
It's finishing up search. Here you can see now that it's found instances of my search that I've created. Mm-hmm. And so it'll put a tick mark on the timeline, so I can just zoom in on that on the timeline. Okay. Or I can come up here, maybe I'm a person that likes to look at a list. Nice. I can double click on that, and then I can hit play, and then it'll bring that up right there in that field. Okay. So, yeah. No,
So the search and everything. Now, how about if we're doing a search and we found it? How about on a live? Like, I want to know when somebody came into the area with a backpack or whatever. How easy is that to be able to do?
Very easy. So this is Configuration Manager, our free tool. I've got 3 analytics configured. One of those is a backpack. So in this case, I want to know when there's someone with a backpack, I want that to do an active alert so that I'm going to respond to that. In this case, I'm going to respond to that to my IP speaker that I have up here with the pre-canned message. That way the person knows that they've been spotted with a backpack, and also security has been alerted.
A backpack has been detected.
It could be integrated into an access control system or an intrusion panel. That could be a point, an alarm. I can respond to that. Or I can lock down doors, go to school and lock down, etc.
Okay.
So whatever response you want.
Excellent. Rob, thank you so much.
You bet.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.